Hello, this is Ruibin Chen, and this video shows my solution to question 2 of homework 2. Firstly, for subquestion A, we need to find probability that x2 equals to 1, which is equal plus and by the definition of conditional probability, it can be rewrite as plus from the question specification, we can know the value of these 4 probability. Therefore, the probability that x equals to 1 equals to the result is. Now, let's calculate the question B. We need to find probability of x3. We can calculate by matrix. Which is equals to the first 2 pair is the probability for x1. When x1 equals to 0, the probability is 0.2. And the right part is the conditional probability matrix. And by calculating this equation, we can get the answer that from the result, we know that the probability that x3 equals to 1 equals to 0.592. Next, let's turn to question C, which need us to calculate the probability of a conditional probability. By using the Bayes rule, or definition of the conditional probability, it is equals to not the Bayes rule, the definition of the conditional probability. Similar as question A, we can calculate the upper part we know that there are 2 paths when x3 equals to 1 and x1 equals to 0. The first one and the second one. Therefore, the probability that x3 equals to 1, x1 equals to 0, equals to 0.2 times 0.6 times 0.4 plus 0.2 times 0.4 times 0.7. And we also know that from the previous question, x3 equals to 1 is finally we can calculate the result. The result is 0.1757. Finally, let's turn to question D, which needs us to find when n is near to infinity, the probability x equals to 0. There is an assumption or rule that the probability of x infinity is also equals to x infinity plus 1. And we can, based on this rule, we assume the probability of x infinity is equals to 0 has the probability of a, and hence x infinity equals to 1 has probability 1 minus a, because they are mutually exclusive. And calculating the x infinity plus 1 by using the matrix. And it is also equals to a 1 minus a. Solving these functions, we get the value that a equals to 3 divided by 7. Hence, we get the value of probability when xn n near to infinity equals to 0 has a probability 3 divided